When disaster strikes, will you be prepared to survive? In this moment, as uncertainty looms and the world around us grows increasingly unpredictable, you must ask yourself if you have the means to protect your life and the lives of your loved ones. I am here to share with you a message that cannot be ignored, a message of survival in a time when the stakes have never been higher. Picture this: storms of unprecedented fury, economic collapse that leaves families scrambling, and societal unrest that transforms every day into a battle for survival. The foods I am about to discuss are not merely items to stock in a pantry, they are your lifelines. They are the essential resources that will help you sustain your body when modern conveniences vanish. You will learn why each food is crucial, how to utilize it in the direst of circumstances, and what you need to do right now to secure these vital provisions. This is not just another video, it is a wake-up call for anyone who values life and freedom. Remain with me as I guide you through every step of this journey towards true self-reliance and survival in a world teetering on the edge of chaos. Your survival depends on the decisions you make in these next few minutes. At number 8, we begin with rice, a timeless staple that has nourished countless generations through the darkest of times. Rice is revered for its extraordinary longevity. When stored correctly, it can last for decades without spoiling, making it an indispensable component of any survival pantry. In times of crisis, when fresh food supplies are scarce, rice provides a critical source of carbohydrates that supply the energy needed to endure long, grueling days of uncertainty. The simplicity of rice belies its importance. It is not only a filler but a versatile base that can be transformed into a variety of dishes. In an emergency, you may need to stretch every calorie to the maximum, and rice offers the flexibility to serve as a hearty meal on its own or be combined with other ingredients for added nutritional value. Consider the implications of a situation where modern conveniences disappear. Having rice on hand means you can still cook nourishing meals that sustain your body and fortify your spirit. Rice is more than just a food, it is a symbol of self-reliance and resilience. Its unpretentious nature hides the profound impact it can have during catastrophic events. As you listen to these words, imagine a future where every morsel counts, where your preparation today could mean the difference between survival and suffering tomorrow. Do not let the simplicity of rice fool you. It is one of the fundamental building blocks of emergency survival, a critical resource that you simply cannot afford to be without when disaster strikes. Coming in at number 7 are canned beans, a powerhouse of nutrition that stands ready to deliver essential protein and fiber when you need it most. Canned beans are a veritable treasure in your emergency kit due to their remarkable shelf life and the dense nutritional profile they offer. In times of crisis, your body will demand nutrients that can help sustain energy, repair tissues, and keep your immune system functioning optimally. Canned beans provide just that, with a robust content of protein that helps to maintain muscle mass and fiber that ensures your digestive system stays healthy during extended periods of stress. They are not only affordable, but incredibly versatile, easily transformed into soups, stews, or even served cold in a pinch. The importance of protein cannot be overstated in a survival scenario. It is the building block of life, vital for healing and recovery in an environment where injuries or illnesses may become more prevalent. As you listen to this, think about the comfort and security that comes from knowing you have a reliable source of sustenance that requires minimal preparation and can be stored for years. Canned beans are a testament to the idea that sometimes the most unassuming items are the ones that can make the most significant impact on your survival strategy. In a moment when every calorie counts, and every nutrient plays a crucial role in your endurance, these beans become a beacon of hope, an essential safeguard against the uncertainties of an unpredictable future. At number 6, we turn our attention to honey, a substance that has been treasured since ancient times for its remarkable preservative qualities and its role as a natural healer. Honey is unique among survival foods. It offers not only an energy boost through its natural sugars but also serves as a potent antibacterial agent that can be used for medicinal purposes. In a survival situation, when access to conventional medicine might be limited, honey can become an invaluable resource. Its ability to remain edible for centuries under the right conditions means that you can count on it even in the most prolonged emergencies. More than just a food, honey is a versatile tool for survival. It can be used to treat wounds, soothe sore throats, and even help purify water in a pinch. The rich, golden substance is a testament to nature's own ingenuity, providing both nourishment and healing in equal measure. When modern food systems collapse and the availability of pharmaceuticals dwindles, honey stands as a natural remedy that bridges the gap between sustenance and medicine. As you absorb these words, picture a scenario where every resource is precious, where a simple jar of honey could mean the difference between a minor ailment and a life-threatening infection. This is not hyperbole, it is the hard truth of survival. Honey's power lies in its purity and its enduring nature, qualities that make it one of the most critical items you must secure in your emergency cache. It is both a sweet indulgence and a hard-nosed tool of survival, one that should never be overlooked in your quest for preparedness. Number 5 on our list is powdered milk, a resource that may seem unassuming at first glance but carries immense value in a survival situation. Powdered milk is an excellent source of calcium, protein, and other vital nutrients that are essential for maintaining bone health and overall bodily function when fresh dairy products are unavailable. Its dehydrated form means that it has an extended shelf life and requires minimal storage space, making it perfect for long-term preparedness plans. In the harsh reality of a crisis, where fresh produce and perishable goods may vanish in an instant, powdered milk becomes a dependable substitute to ensure that your family continues to receive the nourishment necessary for survival. The process of reconstituting powdered milk is straightforward and can be accomplished with the simplest of resources, allowing you to create a wholesome drink or incorporate it into a variety of recipes. Imagine the comfort of knowing that even when the world around you is in chaos, you have the means to provide essential nutrients that support your body's recovery and strength. Powdered milk is more than just a survival food, it is a cornerstone of nutritional resilience. Its ability to sustain you through harsh conditions and extend the period during which you can rely on stored provisions makes it an indispensable asset in your emergency planning. This humble product holds the promise of continuity, a guarantee that even when other supplies are compromised, you will still have the nutritional building blocks necessary to maintain health and vigor. At number 4, dried legumes such as lentils and peas emerge as a nutritional powerhouse, offering a robust combination of protein, fiber, and essential micronutrients. Dried legumes are a fundamental component of any survival food arsenal because they are not only affordable and accessible but also incredibly versatile when it comes to meal preparation. Their long shelf life means that, with proper storage, they can last for years without losing their nutritional value, providing a reliable source of sustenance when fresh foods become scarce. In a scenario where the comfort of modern grocery stores is no longer an option, these legumes provide the fuel necessary to keep your body functioning optimally. They work tirelessly to build and repair muscle tissue, maintain energy levels and regulate digestion, all of which are critical during prolonged periods of stress and uncertainty. The simplicity of dried legumes is deceptive. With minimal processing and an array of cooking methods, you can transform them into a hearty stew, a nourishing soup, or even a standalone meal that fills you with the strength required to face any challenge. Their nutrient density and ease of preparation make dried legumes a symbol of hope in a survival situation, a resource that can be relied upon time and again. As you listen, envision a future where every bite is a reminder of your readiness, a testament to the fact that you have taken the necessary steps to secure your future in a world where every meal might be a lifeline. Positioned at number 3, freeze-dried vegetables and fruits offer a remarkable solution for preserving the vitamins and minerals that are critical to your health during a crisis. When traditional fresh produce becomes a luxury you can no longer afford, these lightweight, nutrient-dense alternatives ensure that your body receives the antioxidants and essential vitamins needed to fend off illness and maintain vitality. Freeze-drying locks in the nutrients while removing most of the water content, resulting in an extended shelf life that makes these foods ideal for long-term storage. They maintain much of their original flavor and texture upon rehydration, offering not only sustenance but also a morale boost in times of adversity. In a survival situation, where monotony and the absence of fresh ingredients can take a toll on your spirit, having a variety of freeze-dried fruits and vegetables can provide a much-needed sense of normalcy and comfort. This category of food stands as a testament to modern ingenuity in food preservation, allowing you to store an abundance of nutritional value in a compact, efficient form. The benefits extend far beyond basic sustenance. They contribute to a balanced diet that supports your immune system, energy levels, and overall well-being. As you consider this information, reflect on the peace of mind that comes from knowing that even if the world around you descends into chaos, you have access to high-quality nutrition that will keep you going. Freeze-dried produce is not merely a food source, it is a lifeline that offers hope and resilience in the face of overwhelming uncertainty. At number 2, we focus on the critical importance of protein, highlighting canned meats or high-quality protein bars as an essential part of your emergency food cache. Protein is the cornerstone of survival nutrition, necessary for the repair of tissues, maintenance of muscle mass, and overall bodily function when the physical demands of a crisis escalate. Canned meats provide a dense source of protein that remains accessible even when refrigeration is not an option, ensuring that you have a reliable source of nourishment that can be consumed directly or incorporated into a variety of meals. On the other hand, high-quality protein bars offer convenience and portability, making them an excellent addition to your bug-out bag or emergency kit. These protein sources are specifically designed to withstand harsh storage conditions while delivering the critical nutrients your body requires in moments of extreme stress. In a situation where every calorie and every gram of protein counts, having these items in your arsenal can mean the difference between enduring a setback and succumbing to the physical toll of prolonged hardship. Protein not only fuels your body, but also reinforces your determination to press on, even when the odds seem insurmountable. As you listen to these words, understand that preparing for the worst means never compromising on the quality and availability of your protein intake. Canned meats and protein bars are your allies in the fight for survival, ensuring that you have the strength and stamina to face whatever challenges the future may hold. At the pinnacle of our survival food list stands salt, a substance that has played an indispensable role in human survival for centuries. Salt is not a food in the conventional sense, it is a critical preservative and an essential mineral that maintains the delicate balance of electrolytes within your body. In a world where modern refrigeration and advanced food processing techniques are no longer available, salt becomes the unsung hero of your emergency provisions. Its ability to preserve food, whether it be meat, fish, or vegetables, extends the life of your supplies exponentially, ensuring that you can store essential nutrients for prolonged periods without spoilage. Salt is also vital for maintaining hydration, nerve function, and overall cellular health during times when your body is under severe stress. It represents the fundamental element of survival that often goes unnoticed until it is too late. When you confront the possibility of extended crises, the presence of salt in your cache is a powerful statement of preparedness. It is the cornerstone of your nutritional strategy, working silently behind the scenes to safeguard the integrity of your stored foods and support your bodily functions. In moments of extreme hardship, salt transforms from a mundane seasoning into an indispensable resource, one that embodies the very essence of survival and resilience. Do not underestimate its value. In the absence of salt, the very process of sustaining life can become exponentially more difficult. Recognize salt for what it truly is, a critical safeguard that every prepper must secure without hesitation. Here's some practical storage and preparation tips. Ensuring that your survival foods remain viable during the worst of circumstances demands not only the right selection of items but also an effective storage strategy. The methods you employ to preserve these foods can have a profound impact on your ability to rely on them when disaster strikes. It is imperative to store your provisions in climate-controlled environments, where temperature fluctuations and humidity are kept to a minimum. Using airtight, moisture-resistant containers is essential to prevent contamination and spoilage, preserving the longevity of your supplies. Organizing your emergency pantry with a rotation system is equally important. Regularly checking expiration dates and rotating your stock ensures that you are always ready for the unexpected, minimizing waste and keeping your resources fresh. Planning balanced meals from these ingredients requires careful thought. Consider how you can combine carbohydrates, proteins, and essential vitamins into meals that sustain energy levels and maintain your overall health. Every decision you make now will have a lasting impact on your ability to endure prolonged hardship. When you take the time to implement these storage and preparation strategies, you are not merely filling a pantry, you are creating a fortress of survival that will protect you and your loved ones in the most challenging of times. This is the culmination of preparedness, a meticulously maintained cache that stands ready to defy the chaos and uncertainty that lie ahead. Your commitment to these practices is a testament to your resolve to survive against all odds. Before we part ways, I want to take a few moments to address some of the burning questions that I have received from fellow preppers and survival enthusiasts. Many of you have asked about the best practices for rotating your stock and the ideal conditions for storing each of these life-sustaining items. Let me be unequivocally clear: every decision you make in this realm is a matter of life and death. When you consider the harsh reality of unpredictable disasters, it becomes evident that a proactive approach to storage and preparedness is not a luxury, it is an absolute necessity. I encourage you to leave your questions in the comments below so that we may build a community of knowledge and support, united by the common goal of survival. Your insights and experiences are invaluable, and by sharing them, you help fortify the resilience of others who might be facing similar challenges. This bonus segment is more than an add-on, it is a bridge that connects us in the shared mission of securing our future against the unforeseen. Let your voice be heard and let us work together to create a network of preparedness that stands as a bulwark against the forces of chaos. Remember, each comment, each question, and each shared survival tip is a step closer to a community that refuses to be caught off guard when the time comes. Your survival is not just your own, it is a collective responsibility, and together, we will ensure that no one is left behind. Stay vigilant, stay connected, and above all, never stop preparing for the uncertain future ahead.